Did you lose 85% or more of your account balance when signed up to Dennis Buchholz free trade copier? So did I. The free Forex trade copier is a service being offered by the company FX Tech. FX Tech Group opened a buy position for the AUD yen on the 13th of September 2022. This trade was copied into all subscribers' accounts. The position was kept open for 3 long months, with very heavy drawdown of up to €7,000. The account had a balance of only €9,500. On the 20th of December 2022, after 3 long months, the AUD yen trade plunged. The result? A catastrophic loss of over €8,500, wiping out over 85% of the account balance. The account had €9,559.26 on the 4th of December 2022. On the 20th of December 2022, all that was left was just €1,095.03. This is a loss of over 85% of the trading capital. Make no mistake about it, this is a Forex trading disaster. If you lost money on this trade, please post your thoughts and comments.